Tails is a portable operating system that you can use to avoid surveillance and censorship. Aside from Tails being amnesic, it also uses the Tor network. And now Tails and Tor together are regarded by many to be an essential tool to use for the dark web, or simply to be anonymous and private online. It could be slow at times, or many times, but it's worth it if you want to keep private. It is installed by creating a live USB or creating a DVD if your computer still has one, or you can run it in a virtual machine using Proxmox or VirtualBox. This way, it leaves no trace on the local device that you are using. Almost any old PC or laptop that is x86 64-bit can be used, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. It will not matter, as they wouldn't even be used. I really like Tails, whether you're working on a project or just browsing. It helps to know that you're browsing in private. Did I mention Tails is also free? In this video, we will be creating a live USB drive that we can carry with us anywhere and use on any computer. We will also add persistent storage on the USB drives so we can save files, passwords, and the like. This storage is encrypted, but bear in mind, if anybody gets a hold of this USB, they might be able to crack the encryption and get access to your files and folders. First, we need a clean USB drive. Tails would need at least 1.3 gigs of free space. You will also need Balena Etcher to write the image to the USB drive. Download Tails from tails.net. Once downloaded, verify your download by clicking on Select Your Download button. While your Tails download is being verified, download Balena Etcher if you don't have it yet. Once your download has been successfully verified, use Balena Etcher to write the image onto your USB drive. Make sure you select the correct USB, as this will erase any data that's currently on the drive. If you use a large USB, you will need to confirm that you want to proceed. When Balena Etcher finishes writing, take out the USB and shut down your PC. Now restart your computer, booting into the USB drive. Here I will be using Tails on a 2013 MacBook Air. If you use a Windows machine, make sure your BIOS is configured to allow USB boot. Select the EFI boot by USB, then select Tails. Now we have Tails running, entirely off of the USB drive, not using the local drive. Here we can select language, keyboard layouts, formats, and we can also set up persistent storage. Click on Create Persistent Storage, then start Tails. If you didn't get the chance to create persistent storage on boot, simply go to Application, then Persistent Storage, and then follow the prompts. When using persistent storage, it is important that we create a good and secure passphrase. On the Tails website, there's a link that may help with that. For more information using Tails, please proceed to tails.net for more documentation. Now we have persistent storage. Here we also see applications that we can enable. Save network configurations, enable the Tor bridge, Tor browser bookmarks, Thunderbird, KeePass password manager, and even Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Take the time to get to know Tails and get used to the applications. I'm sure it's worth knowing. Thank you for watching.